Hi guys, in experiment 5, we should perform a JavaScript and in this I have chosen a title called BMI calculator, body mass index calculator. So let's see how I performed it. Normally basic HTML, here we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. At the top of the top level, the web page starts with the HTML structure. The head section contains the meta tags for a character encoding and responsive design. The page titled BMI body mass index and embedded style tag where all the CSS styles are defined. The body section contains the main visible elements of a page, a container that holds the BMI calculator. This is the main index. The calculator is centered both vertically and horizontally using a flex box. So using a flex box, I centered the calculator. Um, then inside the body div element with the class name container is used to hold all the content. The container has a white background padding and rounded. The container has a white background padding and a rounded border radius, box shadow and text align with max width. These are all the things that has in container. The h2 color, heading to color and input label margin result, everything has be a particular font size, height with the padding, everything. The main body part that has a input label, it should we are normally the body mass index can be calculated using height and weight. If I through that we calculated, we need to get an input from the user as a what is his or her height and what is his or her weight in kilogram and centimeter respectively. After that we need to perform using a JavaScript. The JavaScript plays a main role here. After by getting height and weight from the user, the background function of this is if the weight is greater than 0 and height is greater than 0, it should the first rule it should be greater than 0. Then only we should perform both the operation. Then only we can calculate the body mass index. If the body mass index is less than 18, then it should be reflected as underweight, and if greater than 18 it should be normal. Greater than 18 and less than 25, it should be tell as normal, and greater than 25 and less than 30 it's a overweight, and if other thing greater than 30, it should be say perform it should say that obese. How we are calculating is nothing but a simple calculation that you have been that we have been performed. Body mass index, like I can demonstrate a live example. Start debugging. See, this is the output page. In this I just enter my age, weight 73 kg and 160. See, I have been mentioned as underweight. If I just increase my height, if I just increase my weight 83 and the same height 160, sorry, I just performed wrong operation. Yeah, usually the height should be in meter. I entered here a centimeter so that it performs initially wrong. Now it's been corrected. So my weight is around 73 kg and my height is 6 meter. I don't know, definitely I don't know whether it's correct or wrong. If my height is around 12-meter, then it's underweight. If 11, sorry, 10, 9, so it will calculate according to it. Thank you.